Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this beauty neck device that we wanted to check out really quick, and you will see in a second. It is like this little, well, it kind of looks like a shaver, which is not. It has like ultrasonic and some laser technology apparently, and it is supposed to reduce wrinkles, and you can use it for cleaning and all that. So let's actually have a look how it looks and what it actually does. So here it is, the Beauty Neck device. As I said, has a display, has 6 different modes you can choose from, and then also some intensities. I think there's like 4 of them you can choose from, and then that's basically what it does. It comes with different colorations so you know which program you're using, and then you can get started. It's a pretty big manual here, but whatever. Throw it to the side. Let's actually check it out. We got a cable for loading, charging, which is USB-C, which is good. Put that aside as well. And now let's get our little tool out. And here it is. First off, let's remove all the crap around here. So that comes to the side. This is all not needed either. Let's remove all of it. Gosh. Okay, got it. So, here it is. As you can see, we've got a little display. We've got 3 buttons in total: intensity, turning on a mode, and the lighting. Otherwise, it's pretty solid. It's not really heavy, which is good. It's a good size you can easily hold in your hand. Let's try and see if it comes pre-charged, which it does, which is good to see. As you can see up here, there's the LED light I was talking about. So right now it's at red, and then we have all these different colors for the modes. And then you can actually get started there. So EMS up is one option, auto massage, intensity levels, as I said, it's 4 total. And then what you do, I will just show you that on my arm. Turn that on, gonna place it on there. As soon as it's touching the skin, it will start doing its thing. It's a little funny feeling. It's kind of like shocking and massage in one. It feels good. I mean, I'm not 100% sure like if it actually is working the way it should, but it feels like it does something. I like the feel to it as well. So I think I would recommend it. Check it out yourself, and decide yourself if you like it or not. And that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. Bye bye.